Both Nutanix Foundation and Foundation Central are used to image Nutanix nodes and create clusters. Nutanix Foundation is a standalone tool perfect for simple, single-site deployments. It is typically run from a laptop and can operate without a connection to a central management plane, making it the preferred choice for dark site environments. Foundation Central, on the other hand, is a centralized service that runs as a microservice within Prism Central. It is built to manage any deployments, locally or across multiple sites, including remote and edge locations. Foundation Central also provides a single pane of glass for large-scale or distributed cluster creation. Here are some key aspects of Foundation Central. It allows an administrator to discover, configure, and image nodes across multiple remote sites from a single Prism Central interface. FC uses the CVM Foundation service on the remote nodes as agents to perform the imaging and cluster creation locally. This allows for a zero-touch deployment where nodes can communicate with Foundation Central without human intervention at the remote site. It is designed for large-scale, multi-cluster deployments and automation, using templates for consistency across sites. Unlike the standalone Foundation tool, Foundation Central requires network connectivity between the remote nodes and Prism Central. Here is a reference chart describing the differences between Nutanix Foundation and Foundation Central. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.